Hey everyone, Thomas Carland here, Executive Chef at Great Shots. And with the weather being so nice outside, I would like to share with you my favorite guacamole recipe. We're going to start with 5 avocados, nice and ripe. We're going to take those and go ahead and cut them right in half. And we'll pull all the cores out. And I've done so with the rest already. Spoon. Go ahead and scoop all that flesh out. All right, now we got all the avocado out. We're gonna add 2 Roma tomatoes that I've cored and already diced up here. A 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro leaves chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice. Tablespoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of garlic. My favorite part, smashing. You can feel with your hands once you've incorporated all the ingredients. All right, and that's it. Our fresh house-made guacamole is done. I love this guacamole, it's nice and creamy, not too spicy, perfect amount of acidity. Goes great for any day of the week. We will top that with some fresh sliced jalapenos here. Serve with some fried chips, your favorite bag you can pick up anywhere. And I hope you enjoy with your loved ones. Thank you.